Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a card in Google Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to unlock your Android device and tap on the Google Wallet app to launch it. So let's head over to Wallets, which is here. So once you go ahead and tap on the Google Wallet to launch it, the next step is to check the bottom of the screen. Now at the bottom of the screen, bottom right corner specifically, you'll see a plus symbol labeled Add to Wallet. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Now from the options presented, go ahead and choose payment card to add a new credit or debit card to your wallet. So cards from Nigeria aren't supported for contactless yet, but you can still add a card to your Google account for online purchases. If you have a card from another country, see if it's supported. So go ahead and click on Add Payment Method. You can see that this is loading up. For some interfaces, you have two options where you can use your device's camera to scan your card automatically, or just go ahead and tap on enter details manually to input your card information by yourself. So this particular window is very sensitive. That's why you cannot see anything here, but I'm going to show you what it's here. You have to add your details, enter your details manually, enter your card number in the provided field, the month, the year, the security code, the card holder name, your country, the street address, your apps or suites, suburb, town or city, postcode, your state. You're going to see the ones that are optional and the ones that are not optional. Then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to find save and continue button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, then you'll be good to go. So review the user terms that appear. Once you've read them, go ahead and tap accept to agree and proceed. For security purposes, you may be prompted to verify your card, so choose a verification method from the options provided, such as receiving a code via SMS or email, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once verified, your card will be added to Google Wallet, ready for contactless payments and online purchases. Ensure your device has NFC enabled to use contactless payment. Set Google Wallet as your default payment app for a seamless experience, and you can manage your cards anytime within the app settings. So go over tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.